what's up everybody, and welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know what Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through these cabinets and these refrigerator and create a tasty meal for you, so stay tuned. Alright guys, let's go through our cabinets and see what we got for today on Budget Wednesday. Woo! Let's go through our cabinets! Alright, let's see what's up in this bad boy. I mean, why every time I open this cabinet, I always sing it a cappella? Let's see here. Tomato sauce. Let's go to this side, see if they can see anything over here. Nah. Nothing in the dry goods section. Alright, let's take it to the refrigerator, see what the Magic Box got for us this week. Woo! Someone went shopping! Look at all this. Ooh, tomatoes. Look at it. Look at this bad boy. How pretty that look. I'm gonna put that in the menu. Oh, look at this. Pepper! Pepper! Scotch bonnet pepper! Woo! We're gonna take one. We're just gonna take one. Just one. We don't need a whole bunch. Alright, what else we got? What else we got? You know? Listen, I bought this whole chicken right here from Costco. And I think I'm gonna do something with this bad boy. You know what I mean? Let's do something different for this Budget Wednesday. I've been a vegan all month, so let's be a bad boy today. A bad boy! We got some onions. We got some peppers. Ooh, we got some pretty peppers. Pretty yellow peppers. Nice. And green. Very nice and pretty. What else we got? What else we got up in the Magic Box? Magic Box, talk to me. What else we got in here that I want to use? Alright, we got some scallions. So use our scallion. Oh, we got carrots. Got this big carrot. This boy is huge. I don't know. But I'm going to throw it in there anyway. See what else we got. What else we have here? Well, that's it for the Magic Box. Alright, let's go over to our dry section and see what we got over here too. Alright, you know what? I got some brown rice. So, we can make something with that. We got some garlics. Some garlic we're gonna throw in that bad boy. And you know we can't go nowhere without of course, you know, plantains. We can't go nowhere without plantains. Come on, man. Y'all know the deal. Alright, I got chicken. I got rice. I got veggies. I don't know. I'll make something up real quick. We're gonna turn this bad boy into something real quick. We're gonna make magic real quick, alright? So stay tuned. Guys, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients, I decided to go with the Jamaican Curry Chicken with some brown rice and a plantain on the side. Alright, stay tuned. And if you try touch it, you're getting a coat. No new album, I drop me single, I promote. No, Saska, pick up yourself. Come on, no. Okay, come on, get low down. Saska, we can do something different. Okay. Loco with a whole flow in a chokehold. Yeah. This old soul is so cold, snow cone. Higher than the ozone. When Charlie smoke blow through my nose hole. Pack it up like the rose gold. Yeah. This song is a glass house, then I a throw stone. Lyrics burn it up like me never did on the stove down. Sass calling me so you know me couldn't joke though. Them said that song a shot like a fofo. Oh no. Loco. If I that about them, no for them I go roast no. Negative energy we can do we don't know. So tell bad mind knock off them more. No, not another.
Baby say your matter na matter oh. My sherry coco make I pet you like that oh. Only one girl way fi eye me like laga oh. Every time I see your face, na so I dey stagger oh. Yo, go down on the low, down on the low. Take it to I'm on the low, make it to I'm on the low. Baby no one has to know, baby no one has to know. Baby my body wo, baby my body wo. Go down on the low, down on the low. Take it to I'm on the low. I'm on the low, baby, give it on the low, baby, keep it on the low, baby, my body, oh yeah. Boy, I love my daily, oh. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side, pass the dutchie on the left hand side, it a go burn, it a go done, Jano, it was a cool and lonely, breezy. Need below my pussy, oh. I fit fight for your matter, oh. Yeah, yeah. I promise I no go to use you play my hero, oh yeah. See body. Yeah. It dey make me want to spend money. Yeah. See your love, it is sweet in my body. Oh, yeah. It dey make me want to spend money. So go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, no one has to know, no one has to know. Baby, my body low, my body low. Go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, keep it on the low, keep it on the low. Baby, my body low, my body low. Oh, yeah. When I buy a for two, yeah. Baby, girl, I'm me and you. For a long time now, you I choose.
But every day me go a road, yeah. The amount of girl me see in my eyes make me want 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4. So many girls I still want more. Too many girls and me can't keep score. What if you have it to me cheap from me comfort door? 1 girl, 2 girl.
All right, everybody. Our finished meal is upon us. Woo! Jamaican Curry Chicken. You know the funny thing about this meal? This is actually the first meal I ever learned how to cook. Big up to my sister. Yo, sis! For the long talking, I'm about to sample this bad boy. The moment of truth is upon us to tell us what you think about this, alright? Let me see. First, I'm gonna go with the rice because the rice are calming. Ooh, spicy. Spicy. Ooh, someone put too much pepper in it. Let me get some of that chicken right there. Let me get some of that chicken like that. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Ooh. I'm telling you. I know I should be talking right now. Well, that's just memory. Woo! Yo, listen. Easy, simple. It takes about. Well, let me die this. Hold on, let me die this because I'm tearing this up right now. I'm about to tear this thing up. Anyways, guys, it's a very easy dish to make. All you need is the right curry. If you don't have the right curry, then you're not gonna make this dish good. Listen, this is a staple of Jamaican dishes right here. If you know how to make a curry chicken, trust me, you're Jamaican if you know how to make a curry chicken. All right, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, well, I'm about to tear this bad boy up, you know what I'm saying? Again, thanks sis for this banging recipe from way back in the days that I've been doing ever since. I mastered now. I'm actually better than you now, but I ain't gonna take that credit. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I had fun making this recipe, and I'm gonna have fun eating this recipe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like, and of course drop me a comment, all right? Now, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna finish this meal right here. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace!